afternoon traders, and welcome to today's daily market review. It is Friday the 24th of July, and today we're going to be looking at the stock AT&T. Now, we've seen a significant rise in the at the open of the US markets today. AT&T is trading up around 3%, trading at 34.97 from the close of 33.93. Now, this is because they have reported second quarter earnings, which in terms of their EPS or earnings per share has beat analyst expectations. So in terms of the technical outlook in regards to momentum, the weekly momentum is still bearish, but we do have a bullish reversal on the daily. In terms of the pattern, price and time factors, if we look at the pattern that's currently presented itself, we can see that we're currently in a retracement or a correction, and the correction we believe will take the form of a deep crab pattern. Now, the 100% projection of the AB leg from our C point, which is a high probability reversal areas for not only harmonic patterns but ABCDs, falls in and around the 33.12 area. We also have this area backed up with a confluence of Fibonacci ratios. We have a 786 and also an 886 internal retracements, along with a 100% semi-projection from a prior swing. So the area of 33.12 to 32.85 for us is a high probability area for a reversal. Funny enough, the market has actually made a reversal at the 618 and also the 786 internal retracement, which we had plotted on the chart. But even though we're seeing this push to the upside, which has been very aggressive, I do believe we're going to see some sellers come in and push the market down and to the 33.12 area before we expect a significant reversal. So we're going to drop down to the 60-minute time frame. And on a 60-minute time frame, as we can see, we've had a very aggressive push to the upside. But as usual, we wouldn't enter the trade until we saw a cross of the two moving averages and then the taking out of a swing high. So it's very easy to get sucked in when we see a move like this, but many times this is used to manipulate buyers into the market. The institutions will get out of positions that they've held and then reverse the market once they've reached the price target that they are after. So 33.12 to 32.85 is our area of interest. Once we see the market enter in and around this region, we're then going to look for a trade entry signal, and then we're going to plot our targets, which is the 1.272 to 1.618 external retracement of the entire pattern, and then we're going to trail our stops up into this area. So in a nutshell, we have bearish momentum on the weekly time frame, so we believe the market's going to be moving sideways to down for the next week or so, and then we're going to wait for price action to move into the area of 33.12, 34.85. We then want to see on the 240 or the 60-minute time frame, depending on your preferred entry time frame, a cross of the two moving averages, and then the taking out of a swing high before we enter this trade. So although we've seen a 3% rise today, our forecast for AT&T is more downside before a significant reversal takes place.